Hey guys, what's going on? Yeah, as you can see, it is snowing right now. And since it is snowing, I just designed this new origami model. This is a snowball flicker, and it's really easy to fold. And this is how it flies. Ooh, did you see that? Yeah. Ooh yeah. Alright, wanna learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So begin colored side up. So I'm going to have the white side be the color of the flicker. Because, you know, snow is white, obviously. So, white side down, and fold in half. Okay, and fold in half this way too. And by the way, I have another snowball flicker right here that you can check out. Okay, and now unfold and orient it like this so the raw edges are right here. So take this raw edge and fold it to this folded edge. Okay, unfold this side and take this corner and fold it to the middle. Okay, now refold that side in, and now fold in half again. And now we're gonna take this flap and we're gonna refold this card in half, inserting this flap into this pocket. Alright, get the flap in there, close it up, just like that. I like that step, it's kind of a fun move. And now, all we need to do is round the flicker off. So you can start at any corner and just fold the corners in to taste, like this. And the one I showed in the intro kind of looked more square looking because it just depends on how you fold the corners in. So if you want a more square snowball flicker, you can fold the corners in less, like that, and do that all the way around. But I'm gonna make it kind of an octagon shape. I'm gonna go like this. And really, this is to taste. This just depends on how round or square you want your snowball to be. Alright. So mine will be a lot more round looking than the one I showed in the intro. Alright, so once you got it like this, fold the edges in to close it off. Especially right here, because these are raw edges. And crease these really sharply too. Once you did that, there is your snowball flicker done. And if you want, you can fold these corners in to round it even more, so it'll look more like a snowball. But I'm not going to do it because I think it looks nice just like this. So yeah. And I'll just give it some curvature so it'll fly better. Okay. So yeah, it's a pretty nice snowball flicker. And maybe next, try that snowball flicker I put in the card. Alright, now I'm going to show you how this thing flies. Okay, now to fly this model, it's just like an ordinary flicker. And as you can see, it snowed a bunch more. So, yeah, this is the perfect time to make an origami snowball flicker. Okay, so I'm going to hold it right here and flick on the top edge. So here we go. It's a pretty good flicker. And it's starting to get kind of wet because it keeps landing in the snow. Okay. Oh, that didn't do good. Okay, it's all wet, so I'm gonna flick it one more time. Okay. Yeah. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that, and make sure you subscribe, and have a snow-horrific day. Okay, see you guys later. Oh, this looks beautiful. I love snowy days. This is totally Christmassy.